So, it's J-Buck. I don't know what time it is. I've been asleep all day. I decided to make this video for roast sessions, and I'm gonna entitle it "Shit Niggas Should Just Not Say to Other Niggas," because that shit is gay. Now, when niggas get mad, don't say, "Nigga suck my dick." That shit is gay. Why would you want another nigga to suck your dick? I mean, like, don't shit sound right about that. Like, oh, I don't even want to think about that shit. That shit is gay. You should not tell your boy that he got some soft hands. That shit is gay too. What the fuck was you thinking when I gave you 5? Well, this nigga got a nice lotion and shit. What the fuck type of shit is that? You, you was feeling my hand for real, nigga? Really? Nigga, really? Are you serious? I believe that another nigga should never, ever, ever ask to borrow another nigga pair of drawers. And this just came from Jan. He had a point, but nigga, why would you ask me to borrow my drawers? Nigga, do you know my dick and balls been in those? That shit is gay. Really gay. Another nigga should never in life tell another nigga, man, excuse me, I just ate a hot bread meat before them motherfucker. I ain't got sleepy and shit. Typical black person. But another nigga should never tell another nigga stop dick riding. Did you really just say that, nigga? That shit is gay. Why would you wanna even picture another nigga riding another nigga's dick? The fuck goes on in your household? Nigga, was you raised around that shit? That shit ain't right. Another nigga should never tell another nigga, oh, some nice skinny jeans. Nigga, why do you even have on skinny jeans? That shit's for bitches. I mean, nigga, can your nuts breathe? Like, do you got on a thong with that shit, nigga? How do you even pull your pants up? Nigga, that shit ain't right. They made that shit for female. I saw a nigga in some fucking capri khakis one day, trying to act hard, throwing up gang signs and shit. I don't know what the fuck he thought, who he thought he was scaring. Nigga, you got on capris. Ain't shit hard about that. Nigga, what the fuck you gonna do? Break out a Sierra dance on me, nigga? I'm not about to be scared of no nigga that has on skinny jeans, some Ugg boots, and a fucking beater. Nigga, you look like my bitch. Man, what the, what the fuck do niggas be thinking nowadays? Man, I'm gonna finish this video in a minute. I gotta answer my phone. Alright, get it, y'all. Good luck. Signing off.